My name is Sandra Barker. I work at Thomas Jefferson High School. My love is teaching English, but my second love is directing the spring musicals, which I've done here now for 24 years. I think the main reason that I do this is we are teachers and we have a love of the theater and of musical theater. I want them to leave here with a love and appreciation of what goes on the stage. I want them to leave here with wonderful memories, because a lot of the kids say that's what they remember about high school. It's not their English class, it's not reading Romeo and Juliet with Mrs. Barker, but they remember the things that happened during that spring musical when they were here. Most of them have these shirts still for years and years and years, like me, 24 years of t-shirts I had, and they do too. So it becomes part of their high school and part of their lives during their teenage years. What more can you ask for? The t-shirts kind of became a representation of the musical. I mean, the kids wear this with pride, and they won't only wear this year. I mean, if you walked around the hall today, you would see students with their Mamma Mia shirts on. But it becomes part of our tradition because every year we wear the days preceding the first performance, we wear the shirts that represent the seniors' 4 years. So we go back to when they were freshmen, and on the Monday we wear that shirt. And then on the Tuesday we wear when they were sophomores, on the Wednesday. And then this becomes the day of the performance, our kind of, here we are, we're ready to go. We get a picture taken every year in this that hangs in its glorious spot and represents the musical. So it becomes something that really is very meaningful to everybody as well as the school. And we just started to display them, and everybody loved them. I mean, it's beautiful, it's colorful, it has, all these great pictures on it, the dates of the show. It's like a beautiful painting on the wall, all of them together. And I mean, and you can see that. I mean, that's the thing. That's why I keep going back to Excel, because I certainly could get shirts cheaper. I could get shirts that would be very simple, but they're not the quality, they're not the color. I'm proud of them because I feel like I have a piece in designing, and though this year I kind of came and I said, I'm not sure what I want, but this is kind of the idea. So I just had this time a bunch of little sketches that I had done that afternoon, and we just started putting it together. None of the rest of this was decided. It's the artists that give this life. I mean, they're the ones, they see it. So where I have a vision of what I know I want on stage, they seem to have the vision of what the shirt's gonna look like. That's really, again, I could never do this. I could never do it. And nobody else can. As I said, I have worked with other t-shirt companies, and when you see the difference in the shirts and the quality, we didn't talk about that, because again, as I said, I've been wearing mine for 24 years and it still looks the same, still the same. The shirts are a way of advertising for us. I mean, this year, not only did I sell a shirt to every single student who was involved in the musical, and that means all our tech kids bought one, all of the pit, all of the cast, all of the adult members, parents bought them, so it really becomes a part of making us an extended family too. It just lets us tie the whole show together. The decorations and stuff that we use, we decorate all the lobbies, all the hallways, all of our kids are represented on the walls. And again, these are the things that are in it. The crown, the guitar, the sailboat, those are the things that follow through. So the shirt really does end up, tying everything together for us too. Every year I go back to Excel Sportswear. I have a lot of other companies who are trying to get the business and would love to and very actively pursue, but I have been delighted with Excel because they put my vision into a work of art that becomes an important aspect of our show, of our musical family, of our high school, and of our memories. It's our own little painting on the wall.